Hey guys, Poverty Point Customs here. This video is going to be a little bit bittersweet. Hate to announce it, but the smart car has been sold. I actually don't even have the keys. It's getting picked up tomorrow. This is a little journey I've gone through with this car, troubleshooting some of the issues it was having, and we got most of them resolved. The soft top's fixed, the radio's programmed, brakes, door handles fixed. The party that's buying this, or has bought it, actually has a smart car also, the actual identical mate to this, which is great. These being Mercedes, parts can get quite expensive, so it's nice that they have access to all the parts. And part of the reason I sold it is I've got my 1952 Ford 8N farm tractor that I'm always tinkering with, and another big part of it, buried over in the corner amongst all my stuff, is my Honda CB360. This is my grandfather's old motorcycle. So my big goal this summer is to get this back on the road and get out there and get cruising on it. Again, this hasn't been on the road since I believe 96 or 97. So that's going to be my next project, and pretty excited to get this going. Needs a few things. Master cylinder for the front disc brake, reservoir, it's only firing on one cylinder, battery, a few other little odds and ends. Probably gonna have to put about 500 into it to get it back on the road, hopefully, if the doesn't require tires, which they do seem in really good shape and not all cracked up. But anyways guys, I thought I would end the smart car series just explaining that the car has been sold. Again, absolutely love driving this car. With everything, good things have to come to an end at times. Again, I just have a few other projects on the go, and I know the new owner is quite excited, and I hope he has a lot of good fun times with this. Again, it will be missed. Who knows, maybe down the road, if I can find a newer one, I may end up picking up another one. Again, for a smart car that's 13 years old, again, this has 155,072 kilometers, I believe. For the year and mileage, this thing is almost mint. That's why it was hard to decide if I wanted to keep it or not. Has a few little bugs that still have to be ironed out. He's going to touch up the little paint touch-ups. He's going to look into the limp mode. I have an EGR delete kit that I gave him, so hopefully that will fix it. And a couple days ago when I was driving home, the battery light came on, so I'm not sure if that's an issue with the alternator. I believe the battery is new as of last year, and he's going to get a new rear window put in. He's got somebody that can actually put that in for him. And I did the drum on the rear passenger. He's going to install the other one on the rear driver's side and get that taken care of. Anyways guys, I thought I would just give you all an update on the little smart car. And again, it's been sold. I actually don't even have the keys for it. He's going to pick it up tomorrow, so I hate to see it go. But again, be working on the old motorcycle, and who knows, you may see another project car here. I'm quite interested in the old Mini Coopers, and possibly even like a older TJ or YJ Jeep. But you'll have to subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. Make sure you hit that bell notification button, and we'll see where this channel goes next. Thanks for watching guys. Take care. Have a great night.